Hi, Assalamualaikum, good morning everyone. I think it's been a while since the last time we posted something. This morning we are going to Baker's Hill Cafe in Bukit Tunku. I think everyone has been talking about it, we heard about it. So we have to go early because we heard that it's going to be very packed, especially in the morning with cyclists and all. So let's check it out.
Just parked the bike. We are walking towards the cafe right now.
We are here at Kenny's Baker's Hill Cafe. So this morning we are having egg flamenco. It's actually egg with some cheese and portobello mushroom with tomato and red pepper.
Can I order now?
Yeah,
Can I?
yes, thanks. And some toasted bread comes with the almond milk. It should taste delicious though. So you're supposed to dip the bread in like this. Swirl. And you put all the eggs, gooey eggs, all on your bread. Try to get as much as you can. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Healthy. Not so much cup, but there are cups here, or better cups. Yummy.
Okay, let's take a look around. There's a small walk path at the back of this cafe. Okay folks, we hope you enjoyed this video today. If you do, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and we'll be seeing you again in the next video. Bye.